This coin, Quiztok, provide us 550% profit right here. This is the picture I share in the private list by email. Right on the time, I put it here, buy now. When I send the email, the price was 0.0043 and you put a sell order right here. In this specific case, I didn't use a daily resistance because this is a new coin. This coin doesn't have a daily resistance yet. But on the volume spark, if you go to Quiztok, I will show you when the software picked this coin right here. On August 10, the volume of this coin was $93,000, and 12 hours later, the volume was 636,000. That is a huge volume spike. Volume spike plus buyer power. Guys, it's all about the volume. If you know where the volume is, you know where the trend is gonna be. So, example, volume spike. Today I just got a 125% on XRP, Dogecoin, 146%, Shiba Inu, 414%. Insane returns, guys. 780% profit in this week. We trade Quiztok, Bluzelle, CryptoTycoon, Frutti, Dino, Altcoin Network, and Hardor. Guys, it's all about the volume, guys. Another trade I share in the private list, exactly the same thing. Volume spike plus buyer power, Bluzelle. Share this trade in the private list on 11. We bought this coin for 0.05 cents and put a sell order up here. This is daily resistance, 110%. I made $11,000 in single trade. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. And I like to say welcome to our new members, Mateo, Anthony, and Mark. Okay, guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment a week, guys. Also, we track the main cryptos. I will let you know when you should buy and sell the main cryptos. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. You already know all the good stuff. Give me a like this video, share. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Let me just show you here the trades I share in the private list on the last week. We've been trading all those coins right here. Cykura, Cardano Network, Bluzelle, Quiztok, Crypto, basically almost the same coins. Thanks for your time and have a blessed day. You already know all the good stuff. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Bye.